When choosing between Panasonic Eneloop and Panasonic Eneloop Pro, it really comes down to capacity versus lifespan. Both are high-quality NIMH rechargeable batteries that deliver a stable 1.2 volts, which means consistent performance compared to alkaline batteries that gradually lose power. But they're designed for different types of use. Eneloop Pro batteries offer higher capacity. In AA size, they typically provide around 2,500 mAh, while standard Eneloop batteries offer about 1,900 mAh. That extra capacity translates into roughly 30% more runtime in high-drain devices like camera flashes, gaming controllers, or powerful flashlights. If you need maximum performance and longer operation between charges, the Pro version is the better choice. However, standard Eneloop batteries shine when it comes to longevity. They can be recharged up to about 2,100 times, compared to roughly 500 recharge cycles for Eneloop Pro. That makes standard Eneloops more economical and practical for low-drain devices such as TV remotes, wall clocks, wireless keyboards, and small household electronics. So which lasts longer? In a single use, Eneloop Pro lasts longer because of its higher capacity. Over years of repeated recharging, standard Eneloop lasts longer due to its much higher cycle life.